Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid. Grids are fundamental tools for creating organized and visually appealing designs. They offer a powerful framework to arrange your content, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. By understanding grid principles, you can achieve a professional and harmonious look across all your creative projects, making them easier to navigate and more engaging for your audience. There are several types of grids, each serving a unique purpose. Column grids, for instance, are excellent for dividing your layout into vertical segments, often used in web design. Modular grids take this a step further by adding horizontal rows, creating a matrix for highly organized content. Then, baseline grids ensure that all your text lines up perfectly, providing a consistent rhythm throughout your document. Setting up your grid involves a few key decisions. First, decide on the overall width of your grid and how many columns you'll need. Common choices include 12 or 16 columns. Next, determine the gutter width, which is the space between each column, typically around 20 to 30 pixels. Finally, establish your margins, the empty space surrounding your grid, to give your design a clean edge and visual balance. While grids provide structure, remember they are guides, not unbreakable rules. Feel free to intentionally break the grid occasionally to create dynamic visual interest or highlight specific elements. Always strive for consistency in your grid application, especially when designing for various screen sizes, ensuring a cohesive user experience. A well-used grid enhances readability and overall aesthetic appeal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.